Hi, everybody. Katie here, talking about some of my special stones. This, I've noticed other people calling their stones angry birds. And when I named this an angry bird, I named it that out of the blue. It was after that I noticed other people call their rocks angry birds too. But this guy has this eye right here, like a six kind of, and then this little beak. And it's got this really cool curve to it. And then there's these areas. It's got a groove. And it's sharp right here. And it looks like they were consistently making it sharp again. Sharpening it and resharpening it. And so this was probably an axe, like for chopping wood, maybe. I don't know. Could have been a weapon even, just because of how carved and elaborate it is. On this side, there's a really cool face here, flying with his hair back behind him here, flying back. He's got his eye. So and there's this nice slice right here on the beak, which might have also been like a hammer. But yeah, there's a pretty nice tool with a pretty nice groove.